Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious macarons. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 100 grams of finely ground almond flour, 100 grams of powdered sugar, and 2 large egg whites, ideally aged for a day or two. Precision is key, so use a kitchen scale for all measurements. Having everything at room temperature, especially the egg whites, will significantly improve your chances of achieving that perfect, delicate shell. Let's get started. Next, we focus on the meringue, the backbone of your macaron. Begin by whipping 2 large egg whites until they reach soft peaks. Gradually add 75 grams of granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon at a time, while continuing to whip. Keep going until the meringue is stiff, glossy, and holds firm peaks when you lift the whisk. This French meringue technique is vital. It provides the structure and airiness needed for those iconic macaron feet. Don't rush this step. Now comes macaronage, the most crucial and often challenging step. Sift together 100 grams of almond flour and 100 grams of powdered sugar. Gently fold these dry ingredients into your prepared meringue using a spatula. The goal is to deflate the meringue just enough so the batter flows like slow-moving lava, forming a continuous ribbon when you lift your spatula. This usually takes about 50 to 60 folds. Achieving the right consistency is essential for perfect macaron feet. Finally, it's time to pipe and bake your macaron shells. Use a piping bag with a round tip to create uniform circles, about 1.5 inches in diameter, on parchment paper or a silicone mat. After piping, let them rest for 30 to 60 minutes at room temperature until a slight skin forms on top. This prevents cracking. Bake them in a preheated oven at 145 degrees Celsius for 12 to 15 minutes. Cool completely before filling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.